Very warm and a welcome hello and Jai Shri Mataji to my brothers and sisters in Austria, Vienna, particularly Wolfgang and all my other brothers and sisters. We were all together in Klagenfurt for a public program and thereafter for a beautiful puja of Mahalakshmi, where you all took pains to have me over with my music as well as my experience sharing, and we were able to show Mahalakshmi Path, the evolution, the English version of the film. Its first, call it as the premiere release on 2 days, which is the 3rd of November as well as the 6th of November. The 3rd, it was shown on the puja day after the puja was over on the 2nd, Mahalakshmi Puja, and on the 6th at Nirmal Prasth Ashram. I am extremely grateful to all of you for having given me this opportunity to bring this dream project of Shri Mataji, which she had asked me to do in 2002 and 3, and it took shape finally with Grah Lakshmi the Awakening in 2019, and 2023 saw the release of Mahalakshmi Path, the Evolution in Hindi. It has bagged more than almost 92 awards as of date. As we are talking, we just got an award yesterday. With the blessings of Her Holiness Shri Mataji, and with all your love and affection what I got during my tour, I am sharing with you this wonderful video presentation that I was able to gather with all your help and your dedication. I have to just say a few words about the love and the collectivity that I witnessed in the puja and the Austrian collective. It reminded me of Ganpati Pule days when we all just loved each other and we were all enjoying our programs, had the best of music and best of the movie that you watched, and you all enjoyed it and you really liked it, and I'm so happy. I want to take it to the whole world, and I want to tell them that if they all take responsibility of showing this movie in their respective countries and collectives, I am very sure Sahaj Yoga will spread, because that was the vision of Shri Mataji which she told me, and it has been fulfilled with all your love and affection. I thank you again and again and wish you all the best, and I hope that I stay well and healthy to be around to show this film and release it all over India and all over the world. God bless you, and Jai Shri Mataji once again, and thank you again and again for this lovely, lovely time I had in Austria. God bless again. Jai Shri Mataji.
सभी, कदमों पे कदम है डाल रहे, कोई दूजा नहीं हम एक ही है, कोई दूजा नहीं हम एक ही है। एक ऐसी धुन में गाते चले, गाते चले, करुणामय लहरें बांट रहे, चेहरों की कली खिल आई है, प्यार की ठंडी आग ये, प्यार की ठंडी आग ये, सुगंध सामूहिक लाई है। दूर गगन की छाँव में आशा की किरण लहराई है। ना उधर तके, महिमा पे ताक लगाई है, लगाई है। ना इधर तके, ना उधर तके, महिमा पे ताक लगाई है। सब कदम उठे एक ओर चले, सब कदम उठे एक ओर चले, हम सफर ये कैसी नुमाई है, नुमाई है। अक्षय आंचल के साए तले आंतर में छवि समाई है, प्यार की ठंडी आग ये, प्यार की ठंडी आग ये, सुगंध सामूहिक लाई है। दूर गगन की छाँव में आशा की किरण लहराई है। सभी ममता की मूरत पाई है, पाई है छोड़ चले हम तीरथ सभी, ममता की मूरत पाई है। काश वलकल कुछ भी तो नहीं, काश वलकल कुछ भी तो नहीं, आंतर में मुक्ति पाई है, पाई है। गुरु भाव सो चढ़ी चढ़ी चरणों में टेक लगाई है, प्यार की ठंडी आग ये, प्यार की ठंडी आग ये, सुगंध सामूहिक लाई है। दूर गगन के छाँव में आशा की किरण लहराई है, दूर गगन के छाँव में आशा की किरण लहराई है दूर गगन की छाँव में, आशा की किरण लहराई है। जागो 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 जागो।
Holy Shri Mataji, we are very grateful that tonight it's a very special night and you allow us to have such a fantastic artist with us. An artist whom you kept very close to you from the very beginning. And I remember there was my first India trip. It was between 84 and 85. And I came to Ganapati Pule, and I had no clue what this is going to be. And then on stage were some musicians, and they played a beautiful melody. Ajiva Dastaye. And this was the first moment I fell in love with Sanjay and his beautiful music. And many more albums would come. He released so far 20 albums and 150 singles. So it's amazing. The amount of art he has created has no limits. And I remember that he once told me that Shri Mataji taught to him that he should sing in a lower voice, like not that high. And this is where it all started, really to take off. And now we all sing his music. You might know that Sanjay has written, composed, Sitting in the Heart of the Universe. And this is just one of the many, many songs that he often sing, which actually origin from him. There was a time when Nirmal Sangeet Sarita was like always present. Nirmal Sangeet Sarita was the musical arm of Shri Mataji, and Sanjay was always with them. So in the beginning of the season, when we were in Capella, then Nirmal Sangeet Sarita had arrived and Sanjay had arrived. And this gave such a beautiful mood, and they sang for all the public programs. And Shri Mataji had her attention so much on them. And they were very powerful. When they gave Pandan, it really worked. I remember one situation, but I don't tell it. But they are extremely powerful musicians. But now Sanjay has started with filming. And started with filming is a bit too less to say, because he produced a movie, a film, which got how many awards now? 92 international and national awards. Can you beat that? 92. Please give him a big hand. He's such a complete instrument of the divine. And his music is as soft as the moon rays. When you hear his voice, it's soft as the moon rays. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy. I would have loved to be many more today, but I know that many are already preparing for the seminar and so many things are going on. And he's coming back, and also he will be in Carinthia for the seminar. So nice things are happening, and he also promised us this next time he will show us his movie, which has been awarded 92 times. So we're all curious. Means the filming industry sees Shri Mataji. The filming industry recognizes Shri Mataji, recognizes the beauty. Otherwise, he wouldn't have won so many awards. This is fantastic. It's a breakthrough which is incredible. And we have this person who was instrumental to the divine force here with us. My dear friend, brother, since so many years, my dear Sanjay Dalba, we're all waiting for your music. Thank you so much for coming. Jai Shri Mataji. Please giving a big thank.
We pay our obeisance to Shri Mataji. Thank you, Shri Mataji, for giving us self-realization, giving us Sahaj Yoga, and giving a family, a huge family in the whole world, that we are one. And it's great to be back in Austria after 30 years. I knew that Mother had a home here, and one day I will come and visit. And my brother Deepak, Midha and Eveline, they invited me for the puja, Diwali puja. And it was my greatest fortune that I could come and spend one evening with you here today. And thank you, Shri Mataji, for bringing me close to all of you. And about Wolfgang, I just can say one thing. He was one of the first few foreign faces in Indian soil that I really, when I used to look at him, I used to get inspired by his dedication and his devotion to Shri Mataji. And as you heard some stories, and they are true, that when he was upset, when he was very upset when Shri Mataji was to take a flight, and he started crying, a sunny day turned into a rainy day, because the clouds cried along with him, because they were not treating Shri Mataji well at the airport. And I cannot forget that time because I was there. And so this speaks volumes about our dedication to our mother. How much I've seen Wolfgang in those days as a musician. He was there with his guitar and always ready to sing any song, dance on any song, and always be in the front. And we Indian musicians were inspired by you people for your dedication. And I bow to you, my dear brother, for what you have done in Sahaj Yoga till today, that this ashram this home has become so loving and so inviting. And I feel so happy to be with you. It's never enough. And my other brother, Hamid, whom I saw also gaining so much special attention from Shri Mataji on irrigation, on agriculture work, and when she handed it over. So those were the times when she was creating some people to work for her. And so she put me in the line of writing poetry, composing music, singing bhajans. And in the end she said, now you've done enough of music, you become a filmmaker. So it was her desire and it had to be fulfilled. Though as a human being, I questioned the very idea that, Mother, I am a chemical engineer. How can I make a film? I don't know ABC of filmmaking. So Shri Mataji said, all these I's that you're saying, leave it to me. Because if I desire something, then you just make it work. And it has worked already. I have made the film. And I couldn't understand till I actually started to make the film. And I realized that at every step of filmmaking, Shri Mataji was behind me, and all the solutions kept coming. As the process of making films was becoming more and more difficult, she was making it more and more easy. And so that Sahaj way of working happens within us when we just have a desire, a pure desire, which is our Kundalini. And we have faith that this Kundalini of ours, which Mother has awakened, is actually going to work everything out. And we have to do nothing. We just have to surrender to our Mother. And the Mother is Shri Mataji within us. And she is the reflection in the form of Kundalini in us. So the more dedicated we are to Shri Mataji, the more easy it is for us
to be good Sahajogis, to become deep and go deep and deep, deep, deep. As deep as we can go. And the proof is your vibrations. So your vibrations will increase and you will go into a meditative state where time doesn't matter. So these days when I meditate and I sit down and I have barely blinked, I think, and it's more than almost half an hour or 1 hour, I can't understand where the time went. So it is because you go into thoughtlessness and then you come into the timeless zone. So this is what Shri Mataji has promised us, and she has given us those experiences when we were there in her presence. I thank her, we cannot thank her enough, but the only way we can thank her is to give back what we have got. What I have got, I'm giving it back to all of you through my songs and through my films. And all the love that you can get from that, please give it to others. Because that is the only way Shri Mataji will be happy. I don't want to talk too much. I think you want me to lead a short meditation and then we can have some music. Thank you. Jai Shri Mataji. So let us bow to Shri Mataji and raise our Kundalini and give a bandhan. We'll just say the three mantras. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Trigunatmika Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Sahasrar Swamini Moksha Pradayini Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. We say the mantra of Shri Ganesha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha
साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. Keep your attention on your Mooladhara chakra. सदा सर्वदा योग तुझा घडावा, तुझे कारणी देह माझा पडावा. अपेक्षू नको गुणवंता अनंता, निर्मल माता मांगने हेची आता. निर्मल माता मांगने हेची आता. Mother, please give me the qualities of the Mother Earth. Please give me all the qualities of devotion to you and the innocence of a child. O Nirmal Ganesha, please rise with my mother on every chakra and give your blessings so that all the deities awaken by your grace. So we play Jago Kundalini Ma. जागो 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 कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा. जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा. सहस्त्रार में आके सहस्त्रार में आके छू ही लेंगे वो हम आसमां. जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा. जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा. Please feel your Kundalini rising. मूलाधार में तुम बैठी हो माँ, सदियों से तुम सोई हुई. मूलाधार में तुम बैठी हो माँ, सदियों से तुम
सोई हुई इच्छा हुई पाले तुझको, इच्छा हुई पाले तुझको, हासिल हो तुम जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे कृपा, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे कृपा, जागो 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 जागो, समा जाओ माँ मज्जा में अभी, सभी चक्र तुम निरंजित करो, समा जाओ माँ मज्जा में अभी, सभी चक्र तुम निरंजित करो, गणेशा स्वयं पूजे तुझको, गणेशा स्वयं पूजे तुझको, शरण में तेरी जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे कृपा, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे कृपा। सोई आत्मा में प्रकाश भरो, जो बिखरे हैं चित्त एकत्रित करो, सोई आत्मा में प्रकाश भरो, जो बिखरे हैं चित्त एकत्रित करो, तभी दूर होंगे अंधेरे, तभी दूर होंगे अंधेरे, रोशनी में तेरी जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे कृपा, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे कृपा, सहस्त्रार में आके, सहस्त्रार में आके, छू ही लेंगे वो हम आसमां, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे कृपा, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे कृपा, जागो 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 जागो। Please, let's just keep our hands towards Shri Mataji Thank you. But this is meditation right now, so better we don't clap. Thank you. And try to feel the Kundalini on top of your head. So we're just trying to meditate through music. And those who don't feel it right now, put your attention on your left heart. And we will say to Shri Mataji with full dedication, Mother, please come and reside in my heart. Please open my heart. Allow me to receive all your love that you have showered on all your children, that I may absorb all your love. पूर्ण समर्पण हो, आत्मदर्शन हो, जब हृदय में बसे मेरी माता, जब हृदय में बसे मेरी माता हो, पूर्ण समर्पण हो, आत्मदर्शन हो। अपने दिल की कली जब सहज में खिली, शिव की शक्ति हमें तब ही हासिल हुई। इस प्रेम के सागर में जो भी बहा, इस प्रेम के सागर में जो भी बहा, कहे डूबा रहूं साहिल तू ना, अब तो मिल ही गया अनमोल जहां, अब तो मिल ही गया अनमोल जहां, जब हृदय में बसे मेरी माता, जब हृदय में बसे मेरी माता हो, पूर्ण समर्पण हो, आत्मदर्शन हो। जब हृदय में बसे मेरी माता, जब हृदय में बसे मेरी माता, जब हृदय में बसे मेरी माता, जब हृदय में बसे